In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase and allocate API credits efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refresh their knowledge, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process with ease. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to head over to account settings. To do this, log into your account and look for a user icon or menu usually found in the upper right-hand corner of your dashboard. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, you can select Account Settings. This section is where you'll find all the essential information about your account, making it the hub for managing your preferences, subscriptions, and more. Once you're in the account settings, the next step is to add your payment details. This is essential as it enables you to make purchases directly within the platform. Look for a section labeled Billing or Payment Information. This is where you will enter your payment method, typically a credit or debit card. Make sure to double check your card details for accuracy. A pro tip is to ensure that your card is valid and has sufficient funds to avoid any transaction issues down the line. Enter all the necessary details and save your information. Now, with your payment information securely stored, it's time to purchase API credits. Navigate to the section of the website dedicated to managing your API usage. This could be labeled as API settings, developer tools, or something similar. Once you've located it, find the area where you can buy credits. Usually you'll be presented with various options or packages that cater to different needs. Assess your requirements carefully to choose the package that offers the best value for your usage. After selecting the right package, proceed to finalize the purchase. You should see a checkout button or confirmation link that redirects you to a review page. This is where all your chosen package details, including cost, will be displayed. Check everything thoroughly to prevent any mistakes. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm your purchase. You'll typically receive a confirmation message or email as evidence of the transaction. Finally, with your newly acquired credits, it's time to allocate them as needed. Return to the API management section to distribute your credits. The interface should offer an intuitive way to assign credits based on your project's demands. Carefully allocate them to ensure each project or service has the credits it requires to operate smoothly. And that's it! You're now equipped with the knowledge to purchase and allocate API credits effectively. This process not only empowers you to manage your resources efficiently, but also ensures your projects run without interruption. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more valuable tips and insights. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next video.